Hey, this is Eric Coffey, Legacy Construction, out here at the UHC at First and Gettysburg. As you can see behind me, we have finished off all of the exterior metal studs. We've continued on with the plywood wrap. We have subcontractors inside the building working on all of the rough ends. Electrical, plumbing, HVAC, all of those are going in. Let's take a look. As you can see, we have our elevator shaft lining completed on the first floor. They're up on the second floor completing it now. We also have all of our interior studs and soffit work done, which allows all of the HVAC to be ran through the soffits. Lights and switches, plugs, all those kind of things can now be installed. These are some of our exam rooms off to the right here. We have electrical wiring in, plumbing pipes are being installed. It's all part of our rough in. In this open area, this was the nurses' station for the back of the first floor. When we're done here, you'll have cabinets and countertops going through the whole session through here. All right, here on the second floor, we have our elevator shaft that's just being finished with the shaft wall lining construction. We are also building all of our interior walls. This side would be the exam rooms. The other side of the building over here would be where all of your chairs and dental chairs are. This side is the HVAC duct penetration shaft wall. This will hide all of the HVAC coming from the roof through the second floor down to the first floor. Okay, that kind of concludes today. We are looking at trying to finish this project towards the middle to end of next summer.